Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in simple steps by using Photoshop. And you can save your money to give other around $10 to $100 for this work. So let's start. Open your Photoshop and create new document by 1280 pixel into 720 pixel. Here I am choosing any one attractive image for background. I suggest you to choose some attractive image for your BG. Now type your text or title and size your font and choose font style which you like. After this, select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. This is pink. It is fine for me, but you can choose any other color according to your need. Here my text color is merged with pick color, so I change it to white. Now you can see text is highlighted. Now choose direct section tool and select one side of rectangle and move it. Now position your text and give same variation, like some text bigger and some text color is different to highlight. It is looking pretty awesome. You too try it and make attractive thumbnail for your video or post. If you like it and want to learn more interesting things, then subscribe it and press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.